Hi there, welcome to Smart Money Moves, a guide to avoiding 5 costly financial mistakes as a young adult. In this video, we'll discuss the common financial mistakes made by young adults and provide you with some practical tips to avoid them. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, neglecting emergency savings. Many young adults fail to set aside money for unexpected expenses. Start building an emergency fund by saving the portion of your income every month. 2, not creating a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and lose track of your finances. Take control of your money by creating a monthly budget that includes all your expenses and income. Number 3, falling into the debt trap. Too often, young adults rely on credit cards and take on excessive loans. Avoid this by practicing responsible borrowing, paying off credit card balances in full, and only taking loans when necessary. Number 4, ignoring retirement planning. Retirement might seem far away, but starting early can make a huge difference. Begin contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA now to secure a comfortable future. Number 5, failing to invest. A common mistake is not investing when you're young. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or stocks for long-term financial growth. Start early and let compounding do its magic. Remember, by avoiding these mistakes, you'll be laying a solid financial foundation for your future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights.